Castor oil is often avoided by many people because of its thick and sticky consistency and pungent smell. However, if you are looking for a cheap and natural remedy with tremendous benefits for your skin and hair problems, then look no further than castor oil. Castor oil is an age-old remedy for skin and hair-related issues. Older people considered it as an elixir for their beautiful skin and healthy hair. Magic of castor oil lies in its nutrient composition. It contains a significant amount of vitamin E, proteins, omega-6 and antioxidants. On top of all this, castor oil have an excellent antibacterial property. Castor oil works as an effective solution for wrinkles, acne and other skin problems. It is equally effective for hair fall, premature graying of hair and other scalp problems. Here is how to use castor oil correctly for younger-looking skin. Most cosmetic products have a tendency to strip the oil away from your skin. Your body tries to compensate for the loss of oil by producing more oil. This results in inflamed, cracked or oily skin with crops of acne. The best and cheapest natural remedy for this is castor oil. But there is a trick in this. As castor oil is very thick, you should mix it with a carrier oil before putting it on your face. The best carrier for castor oil is coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil. Add 1 tablespoon of castor oil and mix it with 1 tablespoon for carrier oil and mix it well. Just apply this mixture on your face and massage gently in a circular motion. You can keep it overnight or wash it off after 30 minutes. Castor oil nourishes the skin and restores its natural moisture. What you will see is a younger-looking, acne-free glowing skin in no time. Here is how to use castor oil correctly for hair fall and thin hairs. Take a glass jar or steel bowl and add 2 parts castor oil and 1 part carrier oil like coconut or almond oil. You can add a few drops of essential oil to mask the smell. Mix all ingredients well. Fill a large bowl with hot water and put your castor oil into this hot water bath. Make sure no water goes in. Leave it there for 2 to 4 minutes. Put this warm oil into an empty applicator bottle. It helps in easy application. Dampen your hair if you wish. It helps your hairs with better absorption. Keep a towel on your shoulder to protect your clothes from oil. Use the applicator to put oil on various points on your scalp. If you don't have an applicator, then dip your fingers in the oil and apply on your scalp. Massage your scalp with fingertips in small circular motions. Take your time and make sure your whole scalp is wet with oil. Take the rest of the oil and put it on your hairs by rubbing them gently between your palms. Put a shower cap on and wrap a hot towel around your head. Keep the towel on for at least 30 minutes to 3 hours. You can also keep it on overnight if you can. If your hair does not feel too oily or sticky, you can leave it like this. If you wash your hair, then make sure to use mild shampoo or conditioner. Do this treatment once or twice a week for best results. We are positive that outcomes will be so great that you will end up recommending this to your friends. Here we have some more amazing benefits of castor oil. Health benefits of castor oil. Mostly known for its hair and skin benefits, castor oil has some amazing therapeutic advantages not many of us are aware of. Although our elders have always spoken about the goodness of castor oil. To increase immunity. For those who follow naturopathy, castor oil strengthens the immune system by increasing white blood cells and thus fights infections. Castor oil also improves blood flow, thymus gland health, and lymphatic drainage. Some researchers have shown patients who use castor oil packs have a significant increase in the production of lymphocytes as compared to patients who use placebo packs. Lymphocytes are the body's natural disease fighters which attack outside invaders like bacteria and other toxins. Castor oil is hydrolyzed in the small intestine by pancreatic enzymes, leading to the release of glycerol and ricinoleic acid, along with other beneficial metabolites. Boost circulation. Immunity and proper blood flow go hand in hand. If your lymphatic system does not work, you will become chronically ill. The circulatory system is crucial to keep us alive by bringing oxygen to our cells. Castor oil has been shown to help in blood flow. To get rid of moles and cysts. Applying castor oil with a pinch of baking soda on the infected area is known to give the desired result. In fact, the topical application of castor oil also solves the problem of cysts and corns by dissolving them. It is also said that castor oil helps dissolve cysts in the ovary as the fatty acid in castor oil is easily absorbed by the skin. Treat joint pains. Castor oil is known for treating arthritis. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it an ideal massage oil for relieving joint pain, nerve inflammation and sore muscles. Massaging the joints with castor oil and placing a hot water bag helps in pain relief. In cases of arthritis, this process, if repeated twice a week, will ensure better results. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.